Your 20s are supposed to be about figuring life out, but no one talks about how easy it is to lose yourself in the process. One way we can easily do that is by not taking care of ourselves, especially our skin. So today's video is a little reset moment, a reminder to always take care of yourself. You know what, our 9 to 5 or whatever schedule we have should not be the death of us, okay? We deserve more than just working and feeling tired all the time. So this week I've decided to do something small for myself. I want to bring back little habits that helped me feel good about myself, and mine was through skincare. I enjoyed putting on face masks every week. Sometimes I DIY my own face mask week, and I did that a specific day every week. It wasn't perfect, but it was just a little me time. But somehow, some way, I just stopped doing it. I just kept saying, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. I'm even more busier than I used to be. Now, obviously, as you can see, I'm a content creator. I also work full-time job. I'm posting on YouTube, I'm posting on Instagram, I'm posting on TikTok. So yeah, I'm even more busy. But here is the thing, I'm busy, but I want to stop using that as an excuse. I want to put a little bit more effort into myself. Because girl, we are not getting younger anymore. Okay, I want to do that through my skincare, and I want to create a routine for myself. Not what Instagram or TikTok says we should do, like having 10 steps of skincare. I don't want to do that. Like we said, we want something simple. So I'm going to simplify my routine. So let's talk about what I'm working with now with my skin. I finished all my products and I've gone to the store to restock. My skin type is combination skin. I have oily and dry skin. I've got pores on my forehead and I do have blackheads. I've noticed that as well. Before buying any product, it's always best to determine what you want out from the product. In my case, I wanted a product that can brighten my skin, help with hydration, and also improve pores. My morning routine includes a cleanser. I got this Cetaphil oil skin cleanser. I've used this cleanser before, so I purchased it again. It's a cream cleanser, so it doesn't foam. It contains niacinamide, which can help brighten your skin and also improve your skin texture and regulate oil production. I have been using this cleanser for years and it never failed me. And if you all of a sudden develop heat rashes, this cleanser is really good. I also bought Cetaphil moisturizing lotion that is super lightweight. It also contains niacinamide, avocado oil, and vitamin A. If you have any active or face serums such as vitamin C, azelaic acid, alpha butane, this is the time to apply it now before your moisturizer. When you're done applying your active and moisturizer, it's time to protect your skin using sunscreen. I'll be using Augustina's Butter sunscreen. This was gifted to me by a friend. Make sure you apply your sunscreen in every corners of your face, your forehead, behind your ears, on your ears, your nose, your neck. On the day I'll be applying my face mask, I'll first clean my skin with a cleanser. Rather than a sheet mask, I bought a clay mask instead, and this is from Innisfree. It contains AHA such as lactic acid that can help exfoliate and minimize the appearance of pores and blackhead and whitehead. I read reviews before buying these products and people were saying that it doesn't leave your skin drying like other clay masks and it's easy to wash off. I can confirm this is true. And it doesn't take that long to dry. Personally, if I had any product that have active, I would not apply it after I apply my clay mask because my clay mask already had active in it and it exfoliates my skin. I wouldn't want to further exfoliate my skin again. And other days I don't apply my face mask, I would use my AHA exfoliant. This is from Trinity London and I will only use it at night. Rather than use it every night, I will use it every other night. It contains lactic acid that exfoliates your skin, malic acid that helps smooth your skin, and there's succinate acid that helps give your skin glow. It also contains amino acid that helps with hydration. So this is my simple lazy girl skincare routine. Also, remember to always observe how your skin reacts to each product. If it irritates your skin, stop using it. So cuties, this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down one habit you would like to do for yourself every week. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.